Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, as you see, is going to be a cleaning video. I'm in my formal dining room area. Right here, I'm just giving you a close-up look at the items that I'm going to be using to clean today. So without further ado, let's just get this video started. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for more videos like this. Right here, guys, you're just seeing me give the bar cart a good wiping down. I haven't done a bar cart decor video in a while. I might be doing one of those soon. So just wiping everything down because it was really dusty, and I'm going to place everything back on the bar cart like I had it. Guys, if you see something gray peeking from under my shirt right there while I'm dusting, um, the little, I forgot what you call those, sconces, wall sconces, that's my waist trainer. Give this video a thumbs up or comment down below, or how many of you guys put on a waist trainer while you're doing some cleaning. Might as well put a waist trainer on and get sweat a little bit, get a little extra workout, because when you're cleaning, yes guys, it is definitely a little workout. So I want to sweat a little more while I'm doing my work. So that gray piece of material that you see sticking out, that's actually my waist trainer. I just wanted to let you guys know what that was. Right here guys, I'm going to be cleaning my windows from the inside, so please excuse the glare. I just needed to get them cleaned up because I have a little dog that loves to sit by the window, and he just have all kind of debris and stuff on my window. So I'm dusting right here, and then I'm going to be cleaning them up real good. Guys, I did clean all the windows in the front. I just showed this small piece of the video because it would have been too much if I would have showed the whole thing. Guys, I'm not going to do a whole tablescape. I'm just sitting a arrangement that I had for a while, and I probably will be coming back at you with a tablescape in the near future.